You guys, I am back in Lagos and thank you for all the messages in my comment section. You guys, anything can happen in a day for God. Hold God tight. Anything can happen in a day. I remember when I used to come here to say, you know, walking like an elephant, eating like an ant. That was a parable. But I'm ending this year super excited. I did not walk like an elephant to eat like an ant. I walked like an elephant to eat like a lion. In fact, I got lion shares, and I'm thankful for all of the blessings that have come my way. But you guys, why I was even laughing in the beginning of this video is because you guys could see where I went to go and buy a bag of rice yesterday when I landed. Somebody was telling me that in my comment section when I cooked for 40 people the previous time, the person was just saying that this thing, Bumsy, you don't might really know. Never say never with this catering thing. Never say never with this catering thing. And you know, I was like, jack of all trades is a master of none. Even though I know how to cook, people really enjoy my food, but there are specific people that when they bring their catering to me, I cannot say no. You guys, I got a catering job for like 100 people this Sunday. I am dressed up. I'm heading to Kaito school because it's his Christmas party with Mommy Girl. You guys, I got a catering job for 100 people, jollof fried, egusi soup and every other thing, right? And I had to go and buy a bag of rice. I mean, when I even kept telling the person that another person can handle, the person was like, no, please, we want quality food, we want good food. If you can just squeeze your time for us, we don't mind, we will pay you. I'm like, you pay me? You pay me? You know, I was even thinking that if I, you know, like charge, it was going to shy, like it was going to chase the person away, but rather it even encouraged the person to even say more. So you guys, I've sent my labor woman as usual all the things that we need to buy, you know, and you know, I've also sent her money for herself as well. She's shopping for this cooking that I have on Sunday. She should also shop some things for herself as well. She's been an amazing woman to me. A lot of you always even say in my comment section that look at what I send my labor woman to buy and look at the things that she brings. Like, she knows where I get my stuff. She knows how I like my stuff, how I like my tomatoes, my tatashe, my everything. She knows it. And she's not that kind of person that will tell you that she bought 1,000 naira tomatoes and then it's 200 naira tomato water that you can actually see in the picture or in the video. It's not it. She's that kind of person that she would rather spend all the money buying everything that you have sent, then dash her whatever you want to dash her. But anyways, guys, I'm heading to Kaito school. I have a cooking this Sunday and I'm going to carry you guys along through the cooking process. I'm actually decorating and styling for this event, so we're going to start the styling Saturday evening. Faithful God, I have a styling on Saturday. I have a decoration on Sunday. I have a decoration on the 17th. I have a decoration on the 19th. Faithful God. Blair, I'm just leaving the house now, eh? It's not far from me now. But anyways, guys, let me be heading out. Let me be heading out. You guys also patronize my hamper business as well. Please follow me on my business page, KK Events and Deco. While I was laughing in the beginning, my husband was saying to me, because yesterday night when I was finalizing with my client, my husband was saying to me, say, baby, you the hustle. Are you owing somebody in your underworld that I don't know? Like, which kind of money you they find again? Let me just be heading out. I'll see you guys.
A few moments later.
Excuse my children, Christmas music is going on in the parlor and they are really having a swell time. But anyways, my labor woman has sent a couple of things that we're just trying to arrange. I want to show you guys, you know, all the things that she has sent. And you know, she bought a lot of things for me. She's not even done because the fresh meat from Wasiu, the cooking is on Sunday, so I told her that the meat from Wasiu, she should send it tomorrow morning so that, you know, it can be fresh. Deliver the meat so that it can be fresh. But let me show you guys what is here. I told you guys I'm making soup, I'm making salad, jollof rice, fried rice. Let me show you guys what. Bought Ayola poundo yam, and she bought this one for 6,500. So she bought soup, Stella rice, 22,000 naira, and right now the last time we bought it was 20,500. I think you guys can remember now, you know how much we bought it the last time. This was 22,000 naira. And then cabbage, all of this cabbage, you know, and carrots as well. All of these carrots is about 4,000 naira, and then cabbage 115 each. You guys, I sent her for Mama Lemon because when I'm serving, some people will be helping me wash out the plates and everything. As we are serving, we are washing out, we are arranging everything just to make sure that we are up to speed on that day. And then ginger and garlic. All of this ginger and garlic here is about 3,000. We have Gino here. It's 8,500 naira she bought this from. And then Bama. We have Bama as well. She bought Bama. Bama was about, this one was it 3,500 or 3,009. I'll confirm from our chat. And then toothpick. She didn't buy the complete of this spice because I thought she should buy 4. She bought only 3. I will have to go and let her know. And of course, my lasso, 700 naira. And then what we have here, we have thyme, we have curry, thyme, curry. No, so that to buy this no. This no is supposed to be 3. Supposed to be 3. Why is it 1? And she bought me chicken no. I said beef. You guys, this is onions. Onions is gold now. This is onions, so, and she bought these onions. A paint bucket of onions was about 9,000 naira. A paint bucket, and she bought 2 paint buckets. You just carry it and put in my onions place. We'll use all the old ones first. Find my golden terra in the market, so I just thought she buy me kings, and she bought this for about 3,800. Bought about 6 of them. They are here. So all of this here is about 6,000 plus. Spring onions as well. And then tomato 5,000 naira per paint bucket, and then she bought 2 paint buckets. This one is Shombo. 3 paint buckets is here. Shombo was 5,500. And we have tatashe here. This tatashe was 6,000. Same thing. We will just arrange because this night we can't do anything. This thing came late, so tomorrow that's when we'll arrange everything. And then she bought some other things. So I bought this for my house, and I think I bought this about 2k each. I see what I'm looking for now. All the tomato we are always blending. See what I was looking for. I told her that she should buy 3. All the tomato we are always blending. Now inside here it will enter. See the way I'm sweating. You guys, my husband has been hailing me CEO, hustler, CEO. But I just relaxed because you know work has closed, so I'm just need to take all my events and do all my events. He says like you're owing somebody money, you're underworld. Come and tell me. Which kind hustling be this? But anyways, guys, I need to go and finalize with my Alaboroma because this is not the Maggi I told her to get. She practically bought me chicken Maggi, and I prefer the beef one, and then I will mix it with my other chicken and other brands of what they call it. I usually mix my Maggi and my spices. But anyways, yeah, these are all the things. You guys, my Alaboroma is such a blessing to me. If not, I would have gone into the market today. My assistant went for redemption camp and she will not be out till Saturday. If not, I would have gone into the market today. But anyways,
Mama, are you sweating?
I'm sweating on my pikin. I go see you later.
The next day.
guys, what's up? Good morning, I mean good afternoon. Just came back from lab room and I made her to, I told her to buy the piece of this thing off. To give me copyright thing. This one music. I was telling you guys, I told my lab room to buy the liver, the shaki and everything for the egusi today, as the meat is coming out fresh. She just collect it from Wasiu and buy it. So where is the meat now? Auntie, please, where is the meat? So she bought it, the liver too for the fried rice, everything. She brought the pomo, the shaki, everything. So we've done the chicken. I showed you guys. Clean the chicken. I want to just cut it. The tatache pepper, everything. They are done cleaning it. We want to just boil it and blend it right now. So this is the fresh beef. This one is the pomo, the liver, the shaki. Try to go chop chicken this Christmas.
Yeah, I go.
Let's pass. Let's pass videograph. Hey guys, good morning. You guys will say this vlog has always been in the kitchen, but we're about to start cooking. Yes, we're about to start cooking. We didn't cut the vegetables yesterday because once you cut your vegetables, say you want to put them anywhere, they start becoming soggy. So what we're just doing very early this morning, it's very early this morning, is to start cutting the vegetables. You know. Even yesterday, went to just go and put in the chairs and the flowers and not. So this is now just cutting the vegetables. We cut the onions that I'm going to be using and just a lot of things. So actually, I'm even thinking that, you know, I'm going to split this vlog into two because I don't want it to be too long. Right? So I will just split it into two and then carry you guys through the proper cooking and then the serving and not. My girls will come and help me serve, right? My lady that comes to clean the house, she'll come and help me. Even as please, we'll all go to the venue together with children. One thing about having a mother that runs events is that hey, if they say come and cook, come and do this one, come and do, I carry my children along. To God be all the glory. Carry my children, carry my people along. So they have to go to church very early this morning. I'm thinking because Pastor Jerry came to our church and he's the one that is going to be officiating the service today. So yes, so Pastor Jerry. Yes, so
Let's go now.
no, we'll not meet up now. But you can go. If you cut all these things, you will follow daddy and go with the children.
I've not seen Pastor really like before.
You have not seen in real life before. Auntie says she has not seen Pastor Jerry in real life. But why are you laughing? We're up this morning. She has really helped me. Oh. Hey, she has really helped me. We're up this morning. She says she wants to see Pastor Jerry in real life. Oh yeah, now we'll see if even if the jollof rice is ready. Fried rice, they take time, and I'm using basmati rice.
Okay.
You see, I want to use to soak the rice. It should be okay.